Hey guys, it's Bubba with Dreamscapes. We're in a little town called Puryear, Tennessee. We're about 20 miles east of Kentucky Lake, right here on the Tennessee-Kentucky line. And today we're getting ready to build a recreational pond. Check out what we have in store for this venture. We've got 100 ton of stone that we brought in, plus we're going to have another 50 ton of gravel brought in for the bog and wetland and the bottom of the pond. Check out those boulders. You got stone almost as far as the eye can see. Look at that. We've got another 60, 80 ton over this way. Weathered limestone boulders. Check out the shapes of some of these boulders right here. Got that there. We've got some ledge rocks here. Gonna have some steps going off into the pond. It's gonna be crazy, and we're looking forward to it. So y'all stay tuned and keep up watching for us, and check out our website, midsouthponds.com. As you can see over here in this area, we got the transit set up. Always important on doing a job. You never want to mess up and start digging without a transit to know what your depths are. Over here, what we have is our snorkel centipedes, some 3-inch flex. Aqua blocks will be getting put together. Over there we got Dave and Darian checking out the excavator, making sure it's greased, primed, and ready to go. Over here, as you'll see, there's an old fire pit we're going to be tearing out. In that area right over there, we're going to be digging the bog wetland. It's going to have a cascading, meandering stream coming down, and the recreational pond is going to be in this area here. It's going to be approximately 25 by 30 feet. Waterfall will have a couple of falls. This whole area is going to be brought up to grade about 2 or 3 feet. They're about to get the fire pit ripped out. David's over here digging the bog. A lot of roots.
What is this? What are you doing? So we got Bubba here digging out the beginnings of what's going to be a beautiful pond. I can assure you guys that. So we just got our load of sand, and then we got a load of gravel. Actually, this morning we finished out our wetland pit. So got the angles good. The boxes fit in really well. The dirt was a little harder than expected, but it happens. It's all part of the job. Say hello! So we're getting it done. I'll let you guys know in about an hour.
Hey guys, it's Bubba. It's the afternoon. We've got some of this pond already starting to get dug out. Got a big mess right now, it looks like. Guys are up here working on the bog. They've got the liner in it and the snorkel and centipedes in. They're backfilling right now. Putting sand and backfilling in. The aqua blocks are in. The snorkel is folded over underneath that liner. And we should have it gravel and rocked in here before the end of the day.
Oh, here it comes. Load, it might take maybe 10 loads, I don't know. So we finally got it filled in, and I was correct. It was 10 loads of gravel. So that's what it looks like. There's the #1 professional right there. That is the heart of this project. Yeah, he's a heart, and I'm the hair.
All right, guys, we're gonna be day 2 Out here on this project in Puryear. We got ourselves a hole down here now. Kind of give you a little idea. Jesse's 6'2", so he's digging away. Starting to get the waterfall built up on the far side, up into the bog. You can see it's starting to take shape. That area right there will be cut out for the stream waterfalls crashing in. This little corner here will be staircase. Down here in the deep end, he'll have a little jump rock you can cannonball off of. And right there behind the ladder will be the intake bay. Underlayment going in.
Oh my God, this rain is so hard. I scraped my knee. Oh, and the mud's slippery. Oh! Woo! Why am I here? It's wet and I'm cold. You okay?
Yeah, a little bit. That was a muddy mess out here. Oh, goodness. Good morning, folks. We're on day 6 out here, Puryear, Tennessee. Let's see what we got going on this rake pond. It has rained a lot the last day or two. And luckily the soil is a little sandy. Got a little water done piled up down in there. Doesn't look like it, but that water's about 8 inches deep right now, probably. Don't jump yet, Darian. Oh. Good evening, guys. We're wrapping up the end of day 8, I believe it is. Check this out, the progress we got going. We've got her all stoned in now. Got a couple of places left here and there. We've washed the pond out. Finished pumping the water. We'll start filling it up tonight and maybe have some water running in the morning or tomorrow evening. Hey guys, we're in day 10 and it looks like we're getting close to an end finally. Got Darian over there checking out the far side, trying to touch up a little bit. David on the excavator. We've got water in the pond. Finished filling up the bog. Stone is dwindling down. We still got us a little bit of a pile or two on up there. Well, I'm ready to see this waterfall run here in a minute. We'll check this thing out though. It's going to be awesome. Straight on up through there. Getting ready to strap up the jumping rock. Alrighty, well, we got one pump turned on. Got a lot of edge treatment left to do. Got a little supervisor decided to jump off in it. Some people love the water. You like it, Lisa?
It's awesome. It's awesome. It sounds so much nicely different, greater than I thought it would be.
We have wrapped it up out here on this recreational pond in Puryear, Tennessee. Let me give you a quick preview of it and show you what it looks like. Get some nice boulders. Pond, as you can see, the waterfall stream meanders up and down through there, all the way to the back side, about 65 feet. Hallelujah. Beautiful pond. In honor of Lloyd Lightsley. I got some steps that go off in there like that. And check this stream out. Awesome waterfall right there. And on that side, got the stream that comes up through here. Up in here you got the wetland. gonna filter out, and there you have the other spillway. He's got his jumping boulder right over there. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that video today. I know it was certainly exciting out here working in Puryear, Tennessee for our customers. They've enjoyed it. I hope they look forward to years to come. Hit the like button, share, and go to our website, midsouthponds.com. Tell us what you think about it, and hope y'all have a good one.